The Intrapec Group has been founded in 1983. It started solely as a packaging company, buying and selling. It evolved in a production company. If we listen well to our customers, then we see more diversification of products through the years. It's becoming more colorful. It needs to go faster, and the quantities are getting smaller and smaller. We are able to laminate here, so we deliver 1,000 or 2,000 displays to the market. But the request many times and stronger is that we are delivering 10 displays or 5 boxes, but full color printed.
The trends in packaging industry, what I see is that packaging becomes more personalized, smaller quantities, and the Canon digital printer gives us those possibilities.
In the future, I see a bright future for analog and digital printing. For example, this box here is flexo printed on the outside, 2 colors as you can see, and the inside is digitally printed, and it can be full color whatsoever. And we can show on the outside, even though it's digitally printed, that this is flexo, and on the inside it's digital printed and it looks like offset.
The Arizona gives us also the possibility to print on other materials than just cardboard. An example is point of sale material for shops, and that was wood material for display functions. In combination with our Zund plotter, we can produce full color, small quantities for our customer.
Personalizing packaging is something we love to do. Just imagine that you have a product, and then you can use this same product and produce one for this company and also one for that company. And that is just not possible if you do it in big series. With digital printing, we are able to prototype much easier and to personalize things per item, per company. The possibilities are so widespread, it's dazzling.